Doesn't matter if you're a professional or regular Joe, Reynolds is for everyone, so forget about time setting, note-taking, planning, and remember just one thing, Reynolds. Reynolds alerts you once every 10 jumps, so you won't have to keep count while you're working out. Its light and compact size, the unique diamond pattern offers you the best grip for any intense jump rope workouts. The double bearings, along with the 90-degree angled design, allows you to jump your best performance. With Bluetooth receivers that track up to 30 jumps per second, you'll get accurate numbers for your single and double unders during multiple training sessions. Now let's move on to Reynolds' Smart app. Single, double under, Reynolds tracks it all. So you can try every jump you want during your workout session. Reynolds counts your every movement precisely. I know, it's pretty cool, right? Chad seems to be working out hard, but wouldn't it be better if he could keep track of daily performance to see improvements? Check this out. You can see all your records and tracking histories all on your phone. We're just getting started. Ready for round 2? Not only can you customize the length of the rope to match your height, but you can also choose the type of rope you want. It's super easy to set up. Just like weightlifting, jumping rope also has to be done under a controlled resting and working session for the best results. And that can be easily done with Reynolds. With the various settings, track your jumping in tens, hundreds, or even thousands without checking the screen. Now, revolutionize your jump rope game with Reynolds. Optimize your performance with Reynolds. With Reynolds, every effort counts.
We are Bellites, and we have created the only piece of fitness equipment that you will need to stay or get fit. From legendary boxers to runners, Olympian and top athletes, all have been using this simple device since the Egyptians ruled the world. Jump roping has been the best way to increase stamina, balance and endurance for centuries. But sadly though, most jump ropes out there, yeah, they kinda suck. That is why in Bellites, we decided it was time to reinvent the whole jump rope concept, making it more accessible, fun and effective. And this is the result, the Earth 2.0 jump rope training system. Why is it different? Well, it's not only because it's made of spaceship-grade aluminium, or that we designed the most innovative cable switching system on the market to get you to change cables super fast and easy. And no, it's not because it's the only rope ever created to go from 200 grams up to 1 kilogram to build technique and muscle faster. It's because the Earth jump rope is a complete training system that will cover any fitness objective you might have. Using the Bellites training app included, you won't ever get left alone again. 1,000 plus workouts and training programs based on your fitness objective. Get motivated with our proprietary coach mode algorithm compatible with your favorite music.
We can do this!
Learn all jump rope techniques step by step by a world champion teacher at the academy, track your results, and even get customized workouts based on gear you already have. That is why we got you covered with any fitness objective you might have. Want to get lean and lose those extra kilos from the summer party? Train 20 minutes a day and get those abs shining again.
No!
Like heavy stuff? Add the 8mm monster cable and the complete sets of weights and start jumping if you still can.
Oh!
Or maybe you like kicking ass. No worries, you can still do that and increase coordination and endurance at the same time to kick ass with even more precision. Double under freak? Just add the 2.5mm speed cable and crush those workouts like never before. Even if your thing is showing off, the Earth 2.0 jump rope spins in every direction with no tangling whatsoever. So yeah, we did it. A truly practical fitness solution to train anytime, anywhere.
Very nice rope, looking forward
for it to come out?
It was nice. It felt strange just to have something heavier than usual in the hands, and I don't know, I liked it. I liked it. There's more inertia, you know, and more weight, the better.
It was definitely a good workout. I like lifting, so I really felt it in my muscles compared to a regular rope, so it was very good, very challenging.
And now we need you. Please help us fund the Earth 2.0 training system and put this high-end fitness equipment in your hands.
Crossrope Amp is the culmination of 10 years of working to create the ultimate jump rope experience piece by piece. If we just took a jump rope and attached a counter or a Bluetooth to it, it would count, and that's what you would get. Amp is so much more because it is engaging in how quickly and accurately it connects to serve you the information to keep you motivated in real time. One of the things I personally love about Amp the most is that I don't have to think about what to do. Each workout is customizing the difficulty level to my personal abilities, which means no matter whether or not you're a brand new jumper or you're 10 years in like I am, you're always gonna get an incredibly efficient workout. We've been working on this for a really long time, and this is the best jump rope experience you can get. Amp, connect, jump, level up.